And walking the trail also gave me a great insight of Canada's history. For example, thinking of the Confederation Trail in PEI or the Cattle Valley Trail in BC, which is a natural historic site with its 16 wooden trestles at Myra Canyon, or the Dawson Overland Trail here up in the Yukon, which is the transportation or was the transportation route during the gold rush. And so there is so much to learn. Like there's so much diversity in this country, and it's so much insight you gain and so many experiences to make. So there is a lot of information to digest in this long journey.